Folks think an AI is learning from every single chat you're having with it. But the AI's brain is totally locked down while you're using it. You need to know this because it changes how you plan your product updates. There's basically zero chance the model learns from a live user prompt. Picture a huge car factory where robotic arms are building engines. Engineers spend weeks calibrating those arms, testing the torque, and locking the settings. Once that car's rolling off the line and hitting the highway, those robot arm settings never change. In AI, we call these settings model weights. Think of weights as the exact tuning settings for our factory robots. During training, engineers tweak the robot arms millions of times. Then they bolt the best settings down tight. Finally, you take the car out on the road. When you're asking the AI a question, you're just driving the finished car. A live user chat doesn't change the weights, they stay locked. Now a real car's got a steering wheel you can turn on the highway. But an AI doesn't have a steering wheel for its weights once it leaves the factory. If you want to change them, you've got to take it back to the shop and run a full training batch. Say you're launching a support bot, and a user types a brand new refund policy. The bot won't remember it tomorrow. You have to collect that feedback, batch the new data, retrain the weights, and deploy the new model. First, build a feedback log to save bad answers for the next training run. Second, set user expectations so they know the bot learns weekly, not instantly. You've got to design your app around this lag time. Never promise live learning if you're only doing weekly updates. Weights are baked in the factory, not on the road. Next up, we'll look at how to actually take the car back to the shop with fine-tuning. Thanks for watching the U2X AI Academy.